Symbols of waqf, stopping. Many times you come across like where to stop and how to use those signs, utilize, like you don't know which sign means what. Fa, Qaf, Fa, Mim, and also this sign here in the end. This means this sign indicates that you must stop. It's like a mandatory, you have to stop. And this is the thing mentioned over here. When you stop, وَيَقُولُونَ will become فَيَقُولُونَ. And here, this indicates that you must stop these signs. And kasiran will become kasira. And in the end, fasiqina will become fasiqin. Swad, zai, qaf, sil, jim. This indicates that you must have the option to stop. Means if you want, you can stop or you can continue. Swad, zai, qaf, sil, jim. These signs indicate that you have the option to stop. Means if you want to stop, you can stop or you can continue. So better to stop or you can continue. Like here, if you are stopping it, so how you go? Manittaka. While stopping also, the standing alif will be same. It won't change. And also here, abba biha. It will be abba biha only. Here, this also will be same and this also will be same. Wattaqullaha la'allakum tuflihun. But these signs indicate that a slight pause should be made without breaking the breath. Seen, sakata and waqf. These signs indicate that a slight pause should be made without breaking the breath. Here, when you are seeing sakata and waqf, these sign indicates that a slight pause should be made without breaking the breath. Wa'fu anna waghfir lana warhamna. You are not breaking your breath. You are continuing, but you are taking the waqf when you see this. And here, Anta Maulana Fansurna alal qawmil kafirin. So I have to continue just taking a pause but not breaking the breath. Lam alif, this do not stop. So here, Wa'fu anna waghfir lana warhamna anta maulana fansurna alal qawmil kafirin. That's how you have to do it. That's how you have to read. But this lam with alif, do not stop. كَذَا بِآلِ فِرْعَوْنَ وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ. You're not going to stop here. كَذَا بِآلِ فِرْعَوْنَ وَالَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ. So if you stopping, if it's dammatain, fatatain, kasratain, if you stop on musadatun, how it will be musada. If you stop on mazghabatin, mazghaba. Let's see a few more examples. Here, masruran. So how you going to stop? Remember, this is fathatain. For fathatain, you have to have one haraka. Masrura. It won't be silent. Abwaban will be abwaba. Masfufatin will be masfufa. We are learning how to stop for dammatain, fathatain and kasratain. But for fathatain, it will be abwaban will be abwaba. But for kasratain, masfufatin will be masfufah. Got it? Okay, next. Here we are again seeing the fathatain. Azwajan will be azwaja. Abwaban will be abwaba. Here anzalna. If you stop on this, how it will be? Still it will be anzalna. It won't be silent. Khalaqna. If you stop on it, khalaqna. But tazkiratun, if you stop on tazkiratun, how it will be? Tazkirah. How it will be? Tazkirah. Here, iyaka lillahi tajalla tasadda. So here, standing alif will be standing alif as it is we're going to read. Even though if you are stopping, tasadda only. And tazakka, if you stop, it will be still tazakka. But tawwaban, if we stop, how it's going to be? Tawwaba. If you stop on sajjajan, it will be sajjaja. But when you stop on kasratin, mumaddadatin, so mumaddah, here two rules are there. First, kasratain are there, so you will silent the kasratain and you will make it silent. And here it's ha, tai marbuta is there. So tai marbuta we're gonna make it ha, mumaddah. Here it is how to haddisu nuyassiru hum. When you stop on hum, is it gonna change? It will be still hum. It won't change. And kazzabat. If you stop on this ta, this is not tay marbuta. Remember, tay marbuta will be like a knot. Like here if you see in the end, al bayyina, al bayyinatu. Al bayyinatu will be al bayyina. This is tay marbuta in the end. Do you see that? But if you stop on kazzabat, it will be still kazzabat. The normal ta will be normal ta, still it will be read. But when you read the Thai marbuta, it will become ha. Al bayyinatu will be al bayyinah. Here, ta'buduna will become, when you stop on that, how it will be read? Ta'budun. If you make dammatan, zajaratun, so zajaratun will become zajara. Nutfatin will become nutfa. Again, it has two rules. First, because it is Thai marbuta, it will become ha. And here it has kasraten. Kasraten will be read without the haraka. It will become sakin. It will have sukun. So nutfah. But when you read ibratun, again the same rule, except the patatan. So ibratun will become ibra. Again two rules. Because dammaten is there, it will become sakin, and Thai marbuta also becomes sakin. So ibrah. But when you see fathaten, the rule will be different. I hope you understand. So here if you see takzibin, takzibin will become takzib. Tasneemin will become tasneem. So all kasratain will become one harka. Meme sakin. Meme will become sakin and we are not reading two kasratain. But what about the fathatain? Masruran will be masrura. Azwajan will be azwaja. Miskinan will be miskina. Let's see. Alhamdu. How you gonna when Quranun will be Quranun. But when you stop, how it will be? Quran. Okay, it will be sakin. Except the fathatain, like abwaban. So what you will do if you stop? Abwaba. But masfufatin, if you stop on masfufatin, there are two rules here. Masfufa, because of Thai marbuta, it will become ha. And also because of kasratain, it will become sakin, masfufa. And here, afwajan, here it will be read as afwaja. Only one fatha we will read. We won't make it silent. You have to understand. When fatha then is there, you have to read one fatha. You won't make it silent. And also kadi alif, standing alif, you have to read it. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu la ilaha illa anta